What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. Today's video is all about replacement lenses for the Oakley HSTN glasses. Now, this video was sponsored by VR Wave, and I've done a video in the past about these. Previously, it was for the Ray-Ban Meta glasses, and they still make those, but they also now make them for the Oakley Meta glasses as well, which is awesome. These are fantastic lenses. I use them all the time. I use them currently in my Ray-Bans, and now I'm going to use these ones as well. And the reason being is because they have a little prescription in here for me, and also it's a sunglass, so it's perfect for what I want. And it's super inexpensive, especially when you compare it to what you have to pay through Ray-Ban or Oakley directly or through your eyeglass company. So very inexpensive. Link down below if you want to check them out. But I wanted to show you that if you switch these out, you end up doing it very, very easily. It took me seconds to get these switched in and switched out. And I got purple ones and I also got blue ones. And it's very, very quick in order to get these in and installed and all of that. And they just work great for what you want to do with them. Now, on their website, you can just order plain sunglasses, you can order a prescription lens, or a combination of that as well. And it's super simple. You don't need any prescription at all. You can enter in all the details yourself, and it's super quick. Usually within about a week or so, you will be getting your new glass lenses shipped out to you, and you can install them yourself. I recommend using gloves so you don't get them too, fingerprinted up, and they come with a cleaning lens anyway, and a little lens case as well, so you can put your old lenses or whatever lenses you're using at the time in there for safekeeping. And I wanted to give you a little look at what these look like, specifically in the sun. We'll check out the purple ones first, which I absolutely love. These are awesome. They're mirrored, just like my blue ones I have here as well. But the purple ones, I love it. It totally goes with the flow that I want. And it matches this white frame here too. And then here's the blue, which might even look better with the white frames than the purple ones do, but they just look so great. They look really, really nice on there. Now, you got to remember too, Oakley, at the time of making this video, has just come out with all the other different colored frames. So if you don't want these white ones like I have, you can get the other ones as well. And don't go crazy with the lenses that they sell, because you can get your lenses specifically custom to the way you like them to be from the guys over at VR Wave. So adding everything up, you end up getting lenses that you specifically want for an amazing price on their website, directly shipped to you, so you don't have to mess with any doctors or anybody else on there, and they're really inexpensive. So check the link out, guys. I love mine. I use them on my Ray-Bans, like I said, and I use them now on my Oakleys. So let me know your thoughts on these. Everything's linked down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys down the road. Peace.